Today I'm going to make chicken stew with potatoes and carrots. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm going to fry some bacon. We have chicken wings and chicken thighs. And then carrots, celery, onion, garlic, fresh thyme, and smoked paprika, flour, butter, pepper and salt, Worcestershire, red potatoes. This is 1 cup of white wine and 1 cup of broth, and then 4 cups of broth. First, we're going to crisp up the chopped bacon, and then I'll remove it to a large bowl. Here we go. I'm going to put the chicken in this same bowl, so once we browned it, so that's why I put it in the large bowl. We'll use this bacon grease to brown the chicken. So I've got 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and 1 pound of chicken wings. You can see they've been cut and trimmed, the chicken wings have. So we'll keep doing this until we have browned all the meat. I'm just searing and browning this chicken a little bit. It's not cooked completely. We'll do that when we add all the ingredients together. So yeah, it took me 3 batches to sear and lightly brown this chicken. So now the onions, in with all that nice bacon fat, celery. Let's stir this and saute it a little bit until the onion gets a little bit limp. Now the garlic. Saute this maybe 30 seconds. 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, this is the 1 cup of wine and 1 cup of chicken broth. We're going to cook this until the liquid's evaporated. Now 3 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of flour. We'll cook this just a little bit. We want to make sure that flour taste is gone. We'll gradually add the 4 cups of chicken broth, stirring as we do it. I'm going to add the thyme and the smoked paprika. The potatoes and carrots. We're going to bring this to a low boil and then check for seasoning. Now the chicken. Give this a real good mix. Cover it and let this cook until the chicken's tender and the vegetables are fork tender. It'll take about 40 minutes. Doesn't that look good? I took the lid off to check it. I'm going to give it a good stir. This is a really easy chicken stew to make, and it's delicious. I'm going to garnish this with chopped parsley and serve. Chicken stew with white wine. This is good old comfort food with a ton of chicken, potatoes, and a boatload of flavor. A bowl of this will soothe the soul and cure what ails you, as they say. Well, I'm not so sure about that last one, but I do know it will warm you down to your toes. Rich and flavorful, you got to give this recipe a try. I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it as much as we did. Find the recipe on my website, darlenestable.com, with all the ingredients and directions on how to make this stew. I will also include a direct link to the recipe in the video description below. Now it's on to the next recipe, so please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you can keep up with what's going on Darlene's Table.